Hello, little knowledge seekers. Welcome to our channel full of fun and learning. Have you ever wondered how balloons are made? Today, we are going on a journey to find out. Rubber trees grow in neat rows deep in the jungle, under the warm morning sun. Each tree drips white sap into a small bowl. This sap is used to make balloons. A gentle cut in the bark helps the sticky sap slowly drip down into the bowl. Workers pour the sap from little bowls into large metal buckets. A small tractor drives down the path carrying buckets filled with rubber sap. At the station, buckets are emptied into tanks for trucks to take to the factory. Big trucks carry the rubber sap from the forest to the balloon factory. The trucks arrive at a busy factory where the sap is ready to be cleaned and mixed. The sticky sap is poured into giant tanks to be filtered and made smooth. Clean latex flows through pipes into big tanks where it will be turned into fun colors. Bright colors are added to the latex: red, yellow, green, and many more. Huge paddles spin around to mix the latex and colors into a smooth rainbow goo. Adding special ingredients makes the latex stretchy, bouncy, and ready for molding. Silver molds wait in a circle, ready to begin their journey into colorful balloons. Molds are cleaned with soapy water to help the latex stick just right. Clean metal molds hang from a robot arm and move down the production line. The molds are dipped into a sticky bath to prepare them for the latex. Next, the molds are dipped into bright, colorful latex one at a time. The molds rise up, each one coated in a fresh, shiny layer of colored latex. The coated molds hang and dry in a warm tunnel filled with gentle steam. A robot arm carefully removes the dried rubber from each metal mold. A special tool shapes and rolls the rubber neck to make it easier to tie. Powder is added to keep the soft rubber from sticking together in a bunch. The pieces are washed in warm water to remove powder and clean them up. The washed pieces move along a mesh conveyor, drying with gentle warm steam. Each piece is checked to make sure it's the right shape and safe to use. Some are puffed full of air to test how strong and stretchy they really are. Soft rubber pieces roll along a conveyor, sorted neatly by color. Different shapes also appear: long ones, hearts, stars, and more. All the sorted pieces drop into big bins, ready for counting and packing. A worker places counted pieces into clear plastic packets by hand. A sealing machine closes the packets tight, keeping the air out. The packets are placed into boxes, one layer at a time. Boxes are stacked on a wooden pallet, ready for shipping. A loader lifts the pallet into a truck heading to stores everywhere. In the store, kids can choose from lots of colorful and fun balloons. Some are big, some small, and others are for water fights or shaped like funny things. Kids open the packets and blow up colorful shapes for their party fun. Balloons float and bounce in a cheerful living room full of decorations. Kids try to keep balloons in the air by tapping them with their hands. An adult twists a long balloon into the shape of a funny animal. A balloon festival fills the sky with huge, colorful shapes and flying fun. In a small town parade, balloons wave from floats as music plays. Kids fill balloons with water in a sunny backyard, ready for a splash. They throw water balloons at each other, laughing and running around. One balloon hits the ground and bursts with a big, watery splash. Everyone's soaking wet and giggling together in the grass. At a picnic table, kids use markers and stickers to decorate their balloons. Now they play outside with the balloons they designed themselves. A child lets one go, and it floats up, higher and higher into the sky. The balloon flies over rooftops, trees, and a wide, sunny city. It drifts even farther, high above rivers, hills, and forests below. Some special balloons glow and sparkle with rare designs and confetti. In a dark room, glowing balloons float gently in the air. Kids run outside with glowing balloons lighting up the backyard. After the fun, kids help pick up popped balloon pieces from the ground. The balloon waste is packed into boxes and sent off for recycling. This is the story of a balloon, full of color, play, and happy moments. Did you enjoy this video? Like, comment what would you like to see next and subscribe for more awesome content.